What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Burndown YouTube channel. We are here today at the world famous KP Fab & Tune, and ever since I've known the guy, he's had a couple different cars that were his, and they have a Vette, and they ran it one time a few years ago. His wife actually ran it, and it skipped a reluctor wheel on a motor that was freshly built because they didn't have it tack welded, and then it was just a big cluster F, and then they've repaired it, and I've seen him run it just a couple times at like the Dale and such, but he's never had like a running driving vehicle when we've gone to LS Fest West. So this is the year. I kept bugging him to do the Datsun, but I think he's kind of, you know, wishy-washy on what he wants to do with that car, and I think that he's had that car for a long time, and he's kind of like kind of over it, so he's working on the Vette. So I'm here today to motivate, hopefully lend a hand, and get him over to LS Fest West with me and the Boom and the Bago and everybody, so we can have a good time. And I just want to see him smile and make us pass in that Vette. So I think we're putting a transmission in it. He swapped the transmission and a few other things. I don't know. We'll get the details from him so I don't just ramble on and tell a bunch of lies. And so let's get in there. I brought some transmission fluid and stuff with me, so I can't walk and talk and carry things, but we'll head on over there. We'll take a look and see what we're trying to tackle for this evening. All right, let's go jump in there. I'll kind of show you some of the parts of this stuff. He kind of walk me through what he's got. There's a few dudes here, so I don't want to get all willy-nilly with the camera. He's tuning the truck, but I'm still gonna sell him on the Delphi headlamp right now. Watch, we'll get his reaction with this thing because he's gonna need one. But let's show you some parts and stuff after he's done making a hit with this truck, and we'll show you where we're at and what we're gonna actually work on tonight. We got a break in between. This is the magic that is going down in the Vette. So I got a reed case power glide, RPM. This is all their stuff. He already put all the stub axles and everything in it. This is all aftermarket, bigger boy parts of what was in it, so he doesn't have any issues. So I'm trying to stab that thing in here tonight, and then he modified some of the wiring and he already put it back. So he stripped a few things out, and then he's got some pretty sweet front end parts, and then some TBM brakes. I'm sure Cleater would be happy to see those. But yeah, man, look at that. Those are really nice. Tubular, all chromoly. So yeah, that's the mission for tonight, is getting that thing up underneath the Vette. And then I've been selling the headlamps to everybody. They all freaking love it. So I'm gonna have to get more of these things, man. They're awesome. But he'll keep making some passes, and when these dudes get out of here, we'll probably start trying to stab this thing, and maybe we'll do a time lapse and see how we go. All right, he's gonna test it. Let's see it. There you go. I'm gonna go under here and measure this drive. Let me know, dude. You're gonna be a believer. Watch. Let's see. Oh yeah. Watch, this thing's dope, dude. Oh yeah. Look at the light, man. And it's cool because everywhere you turn your head you can see, huh? Yeah. Yeah.
I noticed that the one, like the headlamp one.
It's weird.
Yeah, because you're like, and you can't see a certain spot. I'm like, man, you're trying to move your head and look up at the same time.
Yep. No, this dude, this is where it's at.
It's perfect.
Got another believer. They're finishing up. He's measuring the drive line. The guy needs an aftermarket drive shaft before they go at speed. These Chevys will kick the drive shaft if you go too fast. So they're gonna measure that up, get this thing out of here. They got it unstrapped. I gotta move my junk, and then we'll play around with this for the rest of the evening. Maybe time lapse and show you guys where we get to. Moving it out. Then we're gonna use the forklift, throw it on a transmission jack. I'll put you guys on a time lapse and show you if we get this thing in here. apparently there's no instructions, and these things are offset. So they're going back and forth trying to figure out which direction this lives, so it doesn't get into the axle or any of that fun stuff. But we're pretty well to the point where we're going to get to. I think once he flips that other one around, he has to make some room for the sway bar. So I think that is that. It's getting late. I got to get some dinner. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the quick short video. But yeah, hopefully this thing is out there with me at LS Fest West 2022. And that's it. I'm going to go eat some dinner. I'm going to go home. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. I'm out.